for you.
I certainly haven't seen anything that has become this much in the public eye.
An attorney weighs in on the firestorm surrounding Marion County Judge Vance Day after his decision not to marry same-sex couples. Thanks for watching KOIN 6 News at 11. I'm Chris Holmstrom. There will be a hearing starting tomorrow. Judge Vance Day faces 13 ethics violations. Jennifer Dowling looks at what we can expect in the week ahead. Jennifer.
Good evening, Chris. We talked to a defense attorney who broke down some of the more serious allegations and told us what would happen during this week's hearings.
If this country is going to the place where people who have religious convictions need not apply for public service, then I think we're going in the wrong direction.
Religious convictions are what thrust Judge Vance Day in the national spotlight after he refused to perform same-sex marriages, allegedly telling his staff to screen couples for him.
Oh yeah, I've admitted that in the pleadings.
Because of that, Day will have to defend himself against ethics complaints and violations about his fairness during the Judicial Fitness Commission meeting. Defense attorney Kevin Sally says that will likely be the most heated issue.
That's going to be very contentious.
Another allegation that will be hotly contended, that Day permitted a felon to have a firearm. Sally said it was someone Day worked with in a supervisory setting.
The allegation is that Judge Day allowed this person to kind of physically handle a firearm.
Day was also accused of displaying portraits of Hitler. He said a World War II veteran found the picture in a building overseas in Germany in 1945. He said he displayed it to commemorate the vet's service.
I think that's a pretty absurd allegation based on what I've seen.
Sally said the commission will first sort out what happened to prompt these allegations. Then it could determine no violation happened. It could recommend censure, which is essentially public criticism, or it could recommend a violation happened and consequences, like suspension or removal. Even if the commission finds there was a violation, Day can still argue he not be sanctioned. He's already started a defense for the same-sex marriage allegation.
He has raised an affirmative defense, which an affirmative defense means even if it would otherwise violate the rule, I have a reason why it shouldn't be deemed a violation. And in his case, that's based on the religious freedom.
And those hearings are expected to last around 11 days. Back to you, Chris.
All right, Jennifer, thanks for that update. Well,